Using a 19mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove our lug nuts. Go ahead and set those aside. Remove the wheel, set that aside. Use a 13mm wrench on the top here. I'm going to use a 13mm socket on the bottom. I'm going to remove this bolt. Remove the nut and the washer from the top. And remove our upper bushing here. Going to go ahead and tap our bolt down from the top through. Go ahead and pull out our bushings and our sleeve right here. Take your bolt. You want to take your washer, concave side facing up. Take your rubber bushing with the raised portion facing up. Feed it into the control arm. Next bushing, raised port down. Washer, concave, facing down. Sleeve. Push it up a little bit. Washer, concave, facing up. Bushing, raised portion, facing up. Squeeze it in there, push it up into the sway bar. Bushing, raised portion, facing down. Washer, concave, facing down. And topped off with the nut. Go ahead and get that nut started a few threads. Now if you're replacing one end link, you can go ahead and tighten this down. If you're going to be doing both, you want to go ahead and install the other side before you tighten this down. You want to have a little bit of flexibility in this before you install the other one. You want to make sure that you have some room to fit everything in place. Using a 14mm wrench on the top and our socket on the bottom, let's go ahead and tighten this down. Now, a good rule of thumb is when you tighten these down, you want this bushing to swell out just to the diameter of the washer itself. This looks good. If you're doing both sway bar end links, you want to go ahead and repeat for the other side. In this case here, we're all set. Let's go ahead and install our wheel. I'm going to start all of our lug nuts and get those threaded on by hand first. Once all these are on, we're going to go ahead and get those snugged down. Torque down our wheels to 100 foot-pounds.